Okay, hey guys, today we're going to be doing something called a drop lunge. As you can tell by its name, you're effectively dropping into a lunge position. You can do this by reverse dropping or forward dropping. Today we're going to go through forward dropping, okay? So you're going to take a nice big step forward off the platform. So stepping forward, okay? The front knee remains outside of the leg. Don't let it drop in, okay? Coming all the way down to the ground. Go as low as you can. If you can touch the floor, great. And then this front leg is going to push you back up towards the platform. So coming back up, push back to the platform. And then you alternate. So you go on the other leg. So coming forward, knee down towards the ground, push off the front leg and back. Alternating legs, coming forward, push off the front leg and back, okay? So it's really important that your platform isn't too elevated because that's going to make it very difficult to come back to this starting position. And that's the drop lunge.